Okay, so this object-oriented question is fairly straightforward. We've been provided with a class diagram which tells us the name of the class, the two attributes, and three methods. Now, just be careful to actually read the question. What pseudocode does it want us to actually provide? So it does specify that we do not need to provide the get methods. So it's just going to be a case of writing the constructor method, okay, which is this new method here. Now it's fairly straightforward. If we just take a look, the class is called treasure, so we just need to mark that as the name of the class. We just need to list these two attributes and again specify that they are private. So we have private value and also private level. Now this constructor method is this new method here. Typically in OCR pseudocode, we're just providing this as a public procedure. It's a procedure because it's not returning any value, otherwise it would be a function. And again, the name of this is just called new. Now this is going to require the use of some parameters. We need to know what those attributes are going to be set to. And again, typically what you'll see in the mark schemes is, in this case, value P. So it's just a different name for that parameter compared to what the attribute is called. Quite typically that's what they're looking for, is a difference. So we'll go with level P as well. And then all this procedure is doing is setting the initial values of those attributes. So again, specify that value is equal to value P and level is equal to level P. Good practice just to end the procedure and end the class, and that marks the end of the question. That's a really nice, easy 5-mark question on object-oriented programming. Again, the only thing that will ever change is how much pseudocode you need to write. You always need to list the class and the attributes, okay, but typically it will tell you exactly which methods it wants you to write pseudocode for.